Vicki and Rick, I'm here on Front Street, and you can see how close these houses are to the Ohio River. A lot of families are packing up and are getting ready to leave.
It's been stressful because every time I go look, it's gotten higher.
In Clark County, the town of Utica is bracing for potential flooding as the Ohio River continues to rise. Mary Broy has been watching the river levels near her home for days.
I am so worried. I have an ill husband, and I'm just beside myself. Just trying to get things done, one step at a time.
She knew Friday it was time to pack up and leave with her husband.
We think we're going to get at least 1.5 feet in the house. This will be flooded, and that's all we can do. So we're packing up and heading higher ground.
Low-lying areas like Front Street are on high alert. Clark County officials are preparing for the rainfall.
It's set up at their town hall there, and people can come fill their own sandbags as needed.
But Utica town officials say they will get through this.
The people of Utica stick together. We're a small town, and everybody's helping each other, and we'll get through this.
And in Floyd County, flood control crews are installing floodgates on West 10th Street in New Albany and making sandbags to hold the gates in place. And over in New Albany, there will be several road closures. We have that information at WLKY.com. And here in Utica, officials tell us that they're going to be closing the roads into town by noon on Sunday. Live in Utica, Joyce O'Geary, WLKY News.